She's all like, look at me over here in the shade. Look at me. But you can't see all of me at once. No. No. What are you gonna do? You wanna cook up something with me? Huh? Look at her. Come here. Come here. Look at her. Look at her. You can't. Table in the way. Look at her. Look at her. The air conditioning unit is on. Sorry for the extra noise. She's scratching. Oh. She's scratching. That feels good. Yeah. Yeah. Scratch. Go ahead. Scratch away. Look at me. Ooh, I'm thirsty. Thirsty girl. Thirsty. Yum yum water. Thirsty. So thirsty. Gotta make a stop for some water. Is that food? Maybe I'll eat something right quick. She's down in the water. Not hungry. And here she is. Like, check you, I wanna go inside. Well, you can't. You have to be watched. Not potty trained. Yet. But you have this vast yard for you.